Hello and welcome back to FTx Academy. In this video, we're diving into raffle campaigns, specifically the sales dollar-based reward type. A raffle campaign rewards customers by entering them into a prize drawing. So each time they meet the campaign requirement, they earn an entry into the digital raffle. When the raffle period ends, you can run a raffle report in the control center to randomly select the winner. You'll need to generate the raffle report and then issue the prizes to the selected customers. This gives you flexibility in how you award the prizes, whether it's tokens, coupons, or even physical items. In our example, this raffle campaign gives customers raffle entries based on how much they spend per transaction, making it a great way to boost participation and sales. The raffle campaign with the sales dollar-based reward type rewards customers with a digital raffle entry when their purchase subtotal meets the trigger amount. It's simple, but a powerful way to encourage higher spending and keeping customers excited about winning prizes. To set this up, log into the control center, select Loyalty, Campaigns, and Add New. From here, we'll select the raffle trigger type, and for our reward type, we'll choose Raffle Sale Dollars-Based. Every campaign starts with the Details tab. First, let's start with the name. We'll give our campaign a clear and catchy one. Celebrate Oktoberfest and win a new mini fridge. Next, we'll add in our description, write a short explanation of the rules. Customers will see this on the app and website. Next, the store type. Choose whether the campaign applies to in-store, online, or both. For the active section, toggle this on when you're ready to launch your campaign. Remember, customers are notified within 30 minutes of activation. For the trigger amount, this is the subtotal the sale must have to meet or exceed to generate a digital raffle entry. For example, in our raffle campaign, customers must spend $50 or more in the beer department in order to earn a digital raffle entry. You can choose to trigger raffle entries based on store visits or a trigger value that you define. In our case, we're going to use a trigger value. For age-restricted topics, turn this on if your campaign involves age-restricted items like alcohol or tobacco, so only age-verified customers can participate. For the tag section, you can add a tag to group or easily identify this campaign later. For example, we can add raffle or holiday promo. And because our raffle campaign involves the beer department, we're going to select the age-restricted topics. Moving on to the Schedule tab, here you can set the start and end date for your raffle campaign. Any qualifying purchases during this time frame will earn your customer a digital raffle entry. You can also limit the days of the week the customer can participate in this campaign by toggling on the Use Schedule option. You can incentivize customers to shop at your store during slower periods. You can toggle the days of the week here. Let's go over some additional settings that will help you fine-tune how your campaign works. First, you can require customers to register for campaigns before they participate. This is a great way to drive traffic to all other features in your loyalnsave app. Next, don't forget to upload a campaign image. A strong image makes your campaign more appealing and encourages more customers to join in. Then there's a single use option. This lets you limit how many times a customer can earn a digital raffle entry. When toggled to yes, you can set the limit to overall, by day, week, month, year, or even sale. Now let's talk about the stackable feature. If this is toggled on, your raffle campaign can run alongside other campaigns that use the same item whitelist. For example, you can also have a campaign that awards static tokens for the same products. In the Marketing tab, you'll define who gets notified about your campaign in the app. For example, you can go into the Manage Interest option and select the beer option from the list. That way, customers who choose beer during the customer interest survey will receive notifications. You'll also see options here to target by age, gender, and location group. Finally, you can assign your campaign to specific stores by opening the Assign by Locations dropdown and making your selections. The last step is to manage your campaign filters. Simply choose the filter from the dropdown menu, click Add Filter, and then click Manage to start building your filters. In our example campaign, we'll select the beer department as our department whitelist. By doing so, only sales made in the beer department will count towards the trigger amount needed to earn a digital raffle entry per transaction. These are the essential settings you'll want to look at when setting up this raffle type. So to recap, the Raffle Sales Dollar-Based campaign works best when you want entries tied directly to how much customers spend per sale. In our example, customers earn one raffle entry for every transaction that meets our trigger amount of $50. You can track participation and results in the campaign report section. And that's it. Now you know how to set up the sale dollar-based raffle campaign and configure the details. It's a simple and effective way to drive customer engagement and increase spending. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, FTx POS, and explore more training videos on FTx Academy. See you in the next video.